Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Diane here. So glad you could join me in the craft room today. Today I have a flip through of my Halloween journal I made with some Dollar Tree lunch bags and a Kara Brandon kit called Haunted Halloween Specimens in Orange. She has 3 of those kits available. There's orange, purple, and teal. They're all very cool. And plus a whole bunch of other Halloween themed kits. So I'll link her Etsy down below so you can go and check them out. They're all gorgeous. I was so happy that she let me be on her design team for these kits. They were so pretty. Okay, enough gushing. Let's get on with it. So today I'm going to do a flip through of the journal here. I measured it. It's 6 inches wide and 8 1/4 inches tall on the cover. There are 2 signatures that I've sewn in with, what is that called? Wax linen thread. There we go. I got it. The spine is cardstock and I reinforced it with fabric on both sides. These cute kitty cats. And I've sewn in a closure. This is a double seam binding or blanket binding or something. Either who. I sewed it shut, so it's a ribbon now that has spider webs on it. Isn't that cute? I love it. Okay, so this is a 1-inch spine. There's 2 signatures in here. Lots of stuff poking out the top. Cute, cute. There are a total of 46 pages, so 92 sides, not including the treat bags that are the plasticky pocket thingies. So, without further ado, let's go. There we go. And I do love that the tie is sewn in so you can't lose it. That's amazing to me. I love it. That's the first time I've done that, and I think it's really, really awesome. Okay, so I put some die cuts here on the front, some little happy pumpkins and a Halloween, and I've sewn around the edges of the bag, and that forms a pocket on the inside. I haven't decorated here. I've left that for you to do so you can see that's the actual structure of the bag. And then I did some tags. This is just a fabric piece, and then this is a felt pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and some die cuts, and Tim Holtz words. And then I have several of these little pages. I found this cute little notepad that was Halloween themed, so I put a few of those pages in here for you. And a fabric journaling card that I made. I have this cute fabric. I was debating whether to use the kitty cats or this one for the spine, so I thought I'd put this in here somehow. It's just so cute. I've glued it onto some file folder and just sewed around it, so you can still embellish on this if you like. That was a lot of fun. And each of the signature covers has a cardstock piece on it, and this one has some more of that fabric in a ruffle on the sides. I've left some of the strings long. If you like that look, great. If you don't, you can always trim those off if that's not your thing. And inside here we have another pocket with some more of that notepad. And here's a tag I made with, this is cardstock and die cuts, and then this is one of the tags that came with the kit from Kara. I had printed them on paper, so I glued them onto some cardstock tags to make them a little beefier. And then another fabric tag on file folder. This was the piece of file folder I tested my stamps on, so I thought it was cute to leave it on there. You can write directly over that. They're nice and faint. Love it. Okay, this is a kit page, and then more pieces from the kit here. I've left these open. You can glue a piece of paper there if you'd like to write. You can write directly on this, or you can put pictures or another pocket. This is chock full of pockets, but who knows, you might need more. See, like this, I've put some paper on the back of this page so that you can journal here, so you can do that same thing anywhere here. Just a little glue stick or some Fabri-Tac. And here's another cardstock page. I've done a Tim Holtz slotted pocket with some little tags, and then an index card with some fabric. A little sticker there that says, I can't read it, Spooktacular. Okay, it says Spooktacular. This is some parchment paper. I got it Tuesday morning years ago. Just thought it was cool. We got some pages about moths. And then here's a napkin page and more of the kit. Look at that, that's so pretty. And another pocket on the back. I've got a tag in there with some die cuts. And then more little pieces for you to play with. This is some coloring book page. And this is a, there we go, back in the center. This is a pocket from the kit. And then just some little die cut pieces in there for you to play with. Another, this is a treat bag that opens up to use as a pocket. Some cute little school note paper. And then in the center I have one of these I Spy pages that you can fold out. And again, you can paste pictures over that, decorate on them, collage on them, all of that good stuff. There's another kit pocket. Some more page edging die cuts. Here's another index card. And some more die cut tags. This is another one of the labels from Kara's kit. Some stamping. And another cute tag. I think I made this guy on camera. In you go there. Children's book page about Halloween. Look at that, isn't that lovely? So pretty. And then back here we have one of Kara's pockets on top of this pocket with some little die cuts in it for you. And this is one of her labels. And then another fabric tag I made. And this is one of Kara's tags on top of some cardstock with some other pieces that I've cut out in a whale tail tab. Okay, that's the first signature, some little ribbon trim here. And the second signature, I have this lace trim that I've avocado dyed. So I thought that looked sufficiently creepy for a Halloween journal. Isn't that cute? And this pocket I decorated up with a paper doll and this die cut I had. And in the pocket, this is another tag I made with one of Kara's tags and some cardstock. And then these are some labels that I hand stamped and a whale tail. And then this came from HomeSense. It's supposed to be like a table decoration, like you put your silverware or something near it, but I just thought it was so cute, and it's just about the right size. It's a little tall, but I love that the little skull sticks out the top of the page. Just adorable. Let's see, this is another of Kara's pages and some of the ephemera that comes with the kit. Look at that. Nice. Some children's book page. Cardstock with a little bit of trim here from the Dollar Tree. And another index card for you to write on. And some little bits and bobs tucked in the pocket with one of Kara's labels. Here's a little moth. And All Hallows Eve, that one says. I love the parchment paper. Listen. Isn't that cool? I just love it. Some more moths. More of the gorgeous kit. And another pocket here with a index card. And this is another one of Kara's labels. I just thought that raven was so pretty. And here we go, a little pocket with some goodies in there. Oh, they came out. They go back in. And here's another little goodie bag. That's a pocket. I got an owl hanging out in there. That's from Miss Kara's kit. The school note, and then here's the Seek and Find page for that signature. Another nice deep pocket on this side. And then here we have a slotted pocket with another notepad and a cute little tag. And then this is also from Miss Kara's kit. Tried to fill all the little pockets with lots of cute things for you to use while you're decorating your journal. That's from Miss Kara's kit. And a little die cut piece. I love this little ghost. The book says How to Carve Pumpkins. So he's reading how to carve pumpkins. This cute little tag. Oop, that's snug in there. And then this raven as well, and a little taggy. So cute. And then back here we have the last little pocket. And again, this is a fabric file folder tag, and this is one of Kara's tags that I put on some orange cardstock. And another piece from one of the kits, and more kit pieces, and die cuts, and all the pretty things. And then back here we have another piece of that. I loved this fabric. I'm pretty sure it's vintage. I don't know how long I've had it, but it is adorable. I forgot to show you the tag in the front of the book. Well, let's look at the one back here, because this is a pocket. I left this open so that the paper bag is a pocket. So this is a large file folder tag that I made with a piece from Kara's kit and the other ephemera pieces from the kit, and I just sewed some lace on the top. Isn't that cool? Nice big space for you to write on. I was playing with some of the different stitches on my sewing machine, so I was having fun with that. Okay, let's put this guy back in here. Oh. I promise it goes back in there. There we go. And then I forgot to show you the one that's in the front pocket. Okay, so this tag has two little pockets. There's some ephemera in there for you to play with. And then this pocket has two little tags in it. Isn't that cute? So it's a tag pocket in a pocket. Again, just being silly, having a good time. All right, and there we go. So I hope that you enjoyed this flip through. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this cute little journal. I will have it listed for sale. I'll put it on my eBay listings. I'll link that below, as well as Kara's shop and the listing that I used in this journal. I'll have all that listed below for you. I really appreciate you stopping by. It makes me so happy when people come to my channel. It just fills me with joy, especially when I have your comments, and it's excellent. I'm going to stop babbling now. If you would please leave me a comment. Tell me what your favorite thing in the journal was. Was there a technique you liked or a certain tag you liked? That would be interesting to know. Please head over to Kara's shop and check out her kits. They're lovely. If you could give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I have to sound like a real YouTuber and say this stuff. No. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for hanging out this long with me. Bye-bye.